guys, Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I am shooting this on the Galaxy S23 Ultra at 8K at 30 frames per second. So I just wanted to test out the 8K ability of this phone. And why not do a little ride around? I'm trying not to make the video too long because, you know, these files can be really big. But how do I sound? How does everything look? So far by what I'm seeing on the phone, it looks great. I know 8K on other phones is shaky and it doesn't look as crisp as this one does so far. But I have to get it, you know, on the computer and check it out myself. But I've been using the phone for almost 18 hours now, 20 hours, and I am really enjoying it. If you haven't seen my unboxing / first impressions, go check out that video. And I do discuss just like my first impressions of the phone. I don't really do unboxing, I just show y'all what's in the box, which is much of nothing. But I wanted to do this 8K video and just show y'all what you can get on these cameras right now. And it looks pretty good though so far. But I'm gonna drive a little bit further. I know everyone's excited to pick up their device or get it from Samsung or T-Mobile or wherever you order it. So I know a lot of people are waiting to get it. I mean, as far as the display goes, it's a beast, man. It's a beautiful panel. Watching YouTube on here has been a pleasure. And then it's just smooth. I mean, it just works really well so far. The battery life, I mean, it seems like it's going to be good. I don't have my own answer yet because it's only been 18 hours, so I don't really have an answer for that one yet. But what other people are saying, that with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and the optimization, it's actually been pretty good. I wonder if that car thinks I'm talking to myself, which I pretty much am. But what y'all think about it? How does it look? How does it sound? How are the mics doing with everything? And how does the blue of the sky look? And the colors of that car? So far, I'm enjoying it. Like I said, enjoying it so far. I haven't really used the S Pen that much yet. I usually don't use the S Pen that much, but I do like having it in the phone, just like the S22 Ultra. You can listen to Baby Girl. Yeah, I'm driving in looking at the camera at the same time just to make sure it looks good. But by what I'm seeing, it looks good so far. I asked this in the unboxing video, and I'm going to ask it here now. If you are picking up the S23 Ultra, let me know what color you got and what size. I wonder if everybody got the 512 just for that free upgrade, they call it. Or do you get the terabyte? Do you need the big boy? I think 512 gigs is enough for me, even if Samsung is taking 60 straight off the system. I mean, that's a lot of RAM. I mean, a lot of storage right off the bat. But even with that, I have enough storage. I don't keep a lot of stuff on my phone. I do make these videos, but I delete them pretty much right after I make them, so I don't keep that on my phone either. Now the sun may mess with it right here. Might mess it up a little bit. But I'm gonna wrap up the video. It's about 5 minutes long. I don't want to make it, you know, outrageous long because it's a lot of work to get these 8K videos processed and uploaded and everything else. But y'all let me know if you liked the video. How did the camera do overall in 8K on the S23 Ultra? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do coverage on the S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. But listen to the baby girl. Sounds beautiful. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.